How to make AI cover songs using your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to use this particular platform called Sonato AI, and it is absolutely free, so just use it while it is free. All you have to do is just type sonato.ai/home in order to access it, and after that just sign up using your Gmail account, and you can do it by just one click. So after getting into this, you have to click on this option of make a song in order to create a song. Then you need to name your project, and this is the like project, because you have to hit that like button for this free project. And after that just simply click on this option of create, and you would be able to give commands to this particular AI in order to create songs for you. And in case if you already have the lyrics with you, then you can select this option of advanced at the bottom, and you can create your custom lyrics. And in case if you don't have any lyrics, just simply type the artist features that you are looking to get in your song. Suppose I want a Lady Gaga song, and you can also select any particular prompt. So suppose I want Lady Gaga song sang by Usher, and after that you can provide some more information about your song and click on this option of generate, and wait for it to generate the lyrics and everything about this particular song. And it might take a little while, not much, but just a couple of seconds, and you just have to wait for that moment. And after waiting for a while, you would be able to see this particular results. Here you get 3 different options to choose from, and you get the lyrics as well. In case if you want to make changes to the lyrics, just simply select this option of edit prompt or lyrics. Just click on it and you would be able to make changes to lyrics. And in case if you want to make changes to any particular song, just simply select that particular song and click on this option of split parts, in case if you want to remove the vocals and want to keep the instrumental part. And in case if you want to split all the parts, just select the option of split all the parts. And in case you didn't like any particular part of this particular song, just simply click on this option of edit, and here you get the option to choose any particular part that you didn't like and want to make changes to it. Just simply put this particular green box over there, and you would be able to see the lyrics for it. Just make changes to it accordingly, and this is how you would be able to make changes to any particular part and make the whole song likable according to your needs and requirements. And in case if you want to use the same voice for all the songs generated by you, then you can use this option of use a rhythm control and make changes to it according to your needs and requirements. And in case if you want to share this particular song of yours or your magical creation with your friends and family, just simply click on this option of share, and here you get the shareable link, and you can also download it and upload it on your family's WhatsApp group. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.